Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to download and install Filmora. For this, first open your browser. Go to the site getintopc.com. Search Filmora in the search box. Click on this application. Scroll down. Click on this download option. Now wait for a few seconds. Your download will begin automatically. Before installing, you must disable the Windows Defender. For this, go to Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Setting. Turn off Real-Time Protection. After the download completes, go to the compressed folder. Extract the zip file. Type the password 123 and click on OK. Go to the extracted folder. Run the Filmora setup and install it. Click on Launch. Now close the Filmora application. Now go to the crack folder. Copy the patch. Now open Filmora file location. Paste the patch here. Run the patch as administrator. Press 1 and hit enter. Again press enter. Press any key. Here you can get email and registration code. Now open Filmora. Click on Help. Click on Activate Filmora. Click on Click Here. Now paste the email and registration code. Click on Activate. Now your Filmora is activated. Please hit like and subscribe button and also press the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos. Also share this video. Thanks for watching.